going to now install the motherboard into the case. The motherboard has 9 screw holes. We're going to use them all. They are here, here, there, there, here, here, and here, and there, and the 9th one is here. We have 9 screws in a cup. And if we look into the case, we've got the 9 positions for the screws. I'm orienting the motherboard so that the ports on the back of the motherboard will come through the holes in the back of the case. Carefully laying it down inside, positioning it over the 9 screw positions, and also orienting it, wiggling these ports through the case cover, snapping into place. Line the screw holes up, and now I've got to put in 9 screws. I'm going to put the first couple in pretty loosely because I might have to adjust it slightly. It's important that all the screws be in place. The motherboard would be unstable if it didn't have a good solid base on the case. And that's the primary reason you don't want to install the processor and cooler until the motherboard is secure and stabilized inside the case. Last screw in place. Okay, now I'm ready to connect power. Got a bunch of power cords here from the power supply. The 2 that I want is the P1 and the little 4. These 2 right here. So I put all these others aside. The power connector will only orient in one direction because of this little clip. So I will position it and hear it pop into place. Yeah, and then this one over here, position it, snaps into place. And then the exhaust fan needs power from the motherboard, and so I'll connect it to the little white power supply for exhaust fans, which is near the back of the case. So we have the motherboard and its power installed, and we're ready to go to the next step, which would be install the processor and its cooler.